Hi everybody, this is Bishwajit Datta and you are watching ASCAT Bhopal. Today's session is very important. वो इसलिए because I'm going to talk about a fantastic business model. You can check this out. नरसिंह मोंजी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज ने भी रिसेंटली अपने एग्जाम का फाइनल रिजल्ट निकाला so that they can go for the final round of selection, that is called as the assessment program sort of thing. We call it as the personal interview kind of thing. Now when I was calculating the minimum amount of money that is required to get into a college like this, I found this is a very fantastic model. Something that could be done over a period of time, and if you can make it a brand, then future is absolutely safe. अब आप देखो ना, नरसिंह मोंजी के जब मैनेजमेंट एंट्रेंस एग्जाम कंडक्ट हुआ, एनमैट जिसको आप बोलते हो, जो जीमैक ने कराया, दे चार्ज 3,540 रुपीज. अब इतना तो आपको देना पड़ेगा बिकॉज यस यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इनटू एन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. अब देखा जाए तो इसके पास एक ही कॉलेज है, जो इसका फेस है ना, फेस ऑफ द एग्जाम, वो एक ही कॉलेज है और वो है मुंबई. अब साथ में इसको और एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी बनाने के लिए 4-5 कॉलेजेस और खोलें, जैसे एक इंदौर में है, नागपुर में, बेंगलोर में, हैदराबाद में एंड सो ऑन. साथ में क्या किया कि आपका जो नरसिंह मोंजी का स्कोर कार्ड है, आई मीन जो एनमैट का स्कोर कार्ड है, दैट स्कोर कार्ड विल बी सेंट टू 5 डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस ऑफ योर चॉइस. काफी सारे लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस दिए हैं एंड यू कैन डिसाइड एज टू विच ऑफ द कॉलेजेस यू वांट योर स्कोर कार्ड टू बी सेंट बाय द एनमैट एंट्रेंस कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, and that is for free. जैसे some people can ask to send their scorecard to SPGN Mumbai, लेकिन SPGN Mumbai का मेन प्रोग्राम आपको नहीं मिलेगा. You can ask your scorecard to be sent to XIM Bhubaneswar, but the main program you cannot get through that. तो आप समझ रहे हो, 3,540 रुपीज को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए there are certain packets of things that you can enjoy. These are those. Now, the student जो ये एंट्रेंस एग्जाम लिख रहा होगा, somebody who is writing this entrance exam, it is always there in his back of his head कि सर मैं इस पेपर में बहुत अच्छा करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do well in this paper so that I can get into NMIMS Mumbai. But यदि मेरा नहीं होता है, if I do not get a good score, then it's okay. I'll only lose 3,540 rupees. But here the case is not the same. You cannot write the entrance exam, means the writing an entrance exam is of no worth if you do not fill the form of NMIMS registration fee, which is another 3,000 rupees. That means with a minimum of 6,540 rupees, you can only apply once. 6,540 रुपए आपको देने पड़ेंगे, only then you can go for the entrance exam. और यहां पर ये खत्म नहीं होता है. The business model is so captivating that every time you go for a retest, you have to pay another 3,000 rupees. That means at max, you can apply 3 times. But remember, the main college, that is the main campus, which is in Mumbai, will only accept the scorecard of the first take. Second take and third take scorecards will be sent to the other institutions. They are not going to be acceptable in the Mumbai campus. But there are so many people जिनको ये लगता है कि यार चलो ठीक है, मेरा मुंबई कैंपस नहीं हो रहा है, let me go for Bangalore campus and Hyderabad campus. So for that you have to go for a retest. So in total you can write 3 times. तो 3 बार बच्चों ने लिखा. Every retest you have to shed another 3,000 rupees. तो आप देख सकते हैं NMAT की फी 3,540 rupees. Then you have to make NMIMS registration fee 3,000 rupees. This is compulsory. ये छूट ही नहीं सकता, आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. Otherwise you are not in the competition. So if you go for a retest, 3,000. And if sometimes you believe that yes, I have an exam but I am not prepared, so 72 hours before the exam you could reschedule. You have to pay another 1,200 rupees. चलिए ठीक है, आपका स्कोर कार्ड 5 इंस्टीट्यूशंस में फ्री भेज दिए जाएंगे. बट इफ यू वांट योर स्कोर कार्ड टू बी सेंट टू द 6th और द 7th इंस्टीट्यूट, यू हैव टू पे 470 rupees each. Now, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि if I pay 472 rupees, my scorecard will be sent to a college and they are going to consider me. No, you have to fill their form again. So giving 472 rupees is absolutely of no use. Now what happened this? Assessment fee, 1100 rupees. Now assessment fee is nothing but the GDPI process, or you can say the PI process, which the institution is going to conduct after the successful written test conducted by NMAT. Now let's say you have been shortlisted in the written test. Now you will be called for the personal interview. You'll be surprised to figure it out this, that this year they have called all the students with 209 and plus. That means they are calling every student who has scored 209 or more. Till last year, students with 234, 235, the minimum score that was required to get the final call so that he can participate in the interview part was 234, 35. You could understand that there are limited number of seats in the college. By the way, let me tell you, there are 960 seats in the college. 600 for the general MBA. So they must be calling around 4 to 5 times of the number of students. In that PI part, they are going to select or shortlist those 960 students who are finally going to admitted in the college, that is in the Mumbai campus. Right? Now the rest of the other campuses are also going to be admitted based on the PI part, which is again going to be conducted in the Mumbai center. Now this year, what they have done, they have asked all the students with 209 or more than 209 to be participating in the assessment test. Now this is a new concept. Last year there was a simple, the PI part, and after the PI part, they used to declare the result and you could be in the college again. Now this year they are conducting an assessment test first of all, and then they are going to conduct the PI part. For that you have to pay 1100 rupees. अब आप सोचिए, the cutoff last year was 234, 35, because that was the score people used to score. With that they used to go to the college to participate in the PI part. Now this year it is 209. So obviously you are going to get more and more people to participate in the assessment part, and thereby 1100 rupees is the extra money that you are again going to pay to the college to be a participant in that, the PI part of the assessment part. Now don't you think that this is a very fantastic business model? आपको तो देना ही है. If you want to get into Bombay or Mumbai for that matter, this is the money. So somebody who could enter into the college with the minimum money, that is 7,640, and somebody who is entering into any of the other colleges of Narsi Monjee has to pay 13,640 rupees. So this is the minimum money that is required to get into only one particular college. Now you can understand that the amount of pain somebody could have just to think about this particular, you can see that this is a huge amount of money somebody has to pay in order to get to only one college. So this year the tough job is going to come. The tough job is going to be faced by the students in the time to come, क्योंकि 209 के ऊपर, 209 और 209 के ऊपर जो भी स्कोर है, they are called for the assessment test. Now last year it was easy to enter into NMIMS Mumbai campus. Now this year it is again going to be very tough. तो यदि आपका assessment test अच्छा नहीं होता, तो even with 225, 230 you can be out. Now I was figuring out why the people with 209 or the students or candidates with 209 or 209 and plus are called for the assessment test. Now this entrance exam NMAT is an online entrance examination. So students are supposed to go to an examination center to write the entrance exam. However, there was a provision for the students to sit at home and write the entrance examinations. Now there are many people who have an idea sitting in Bombay. They are thinking that most of the people who have written the examinations at home in their leisure sort of atmosphere, they must have taken some unfair advantage in writing the examination. Somebody must have helped them out, and there could be a reason why they have scored more. So therefore we are going to solve it while conducting one more assessment entrance examinations in the Mumbai campus. So everybody, all the students are called, we have an assessment test, and then we are going to have a PI test so that we can finally figure it out that this is the right candidate who deserves an MIMS Mumbai. तो आप देखिए, this is all that is happening, ठीक है ना. और इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ, this is a very fantastic business model. यदि आप सही जगह पर है and you can think for a long way, इंटरव्यू में कहते हैं ना, व्हाट इज योर लॉन्ग टर्म एंड शॉर्ट टर्म गोल। देखो यही है लॉन्ग टर्म गोल। तो आप देख सकते हो किस किस पॉकेट से आप पैसे बना सकते हो। ये जो 472 रुपए आपसे लेना फॉर एवरी कॉलेज एंड गिविंग यू दैट एश्योरेंस कि मैं आपका स्कोर कार्ड फलाने फलाने कॉलेज में भेजूंगा, इज ऑफ नो यूज अनलेस यू फिल द फॉर्म ऑफ दैट कॉलेज। जब मुझे उस कॉलेज का फॉर्म भरना ही है, देन वाई टू पे दिस 470 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा, नो नीड एट ऑल, बट देना पड़ रहा है कई बार। मुझे इसमें सबसे खराब बात पता है क्या लगी? मुझे ये लगी दैट आई विल राइट इनमेट एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशंस and if I do well with my scorecard, if I really feel that yes I have scored well, then I will go for NMIMS registration. Before that I will not go for it. But you are pushing me, you are creating a compulsion that without giving the registration fee of 3,000 rupees to NMIMS, you cannot go for NMAT entrance examination. You are writing that entrance examination will not work because the software has been designed just like that. मतलब हर वो स्टूडेंट जो एनमैट का फी भर रहा है उसको एनएमआईएमएस को 3,000 रुपए का पैसा चढ़ाना पड़ेगा। यू हैव टू शो ओवर दिस मनी टू द कॉलेज एज इफ द कॉलेज इज ए टेम्पल। आपको ये पैसे चढ़ाना पड़ेगा, ये चढ़ावा आपके लिए। दिस इज द फ्री मनी द कॉलेज इज गोइंग टू गेट। और ये पैसे कॉलेज के पास पहले नहीं जाना चाहिए। इट हैज टू गो ओनली व्हेन द मेजर एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन, जो एनएमआईएमएस का जो फेस है एंट्रेंस का, दैट इज एनमैट। एनमैट के बाद द स्टूडेंट मस्ट गेट द फ्रीडम टू डिसाइड दैट नाउ आई वांट टू गो फॉर एनएमआईएमएस रजिस्ट्रेशन। मैं इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन करना चाहता हूं, इसलिए मैं ये 3,000 रुपए दे रहा हूं। नहीं, आपने एनमैट का फॉर्म भरा, साथ में आपको 3,000 रुपए का चढ़ावा देना पड़ेगा। नाउ थिंक ऑफ ए सिचुएशन इफ 1 लाख पीपल आर राइटिंग दिस एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन। इस एंट्रेंस का फी तो आप दे ही रहे हो, साथ में आपको 3,000 रुपए का चढ़ावा हर स्टूडेंट देने वाला है। चाहे आपके 150 नंबर आए, 100 नंबर आए, कितना भी नंबर आए, दिस इज द मनी दैट आपको देना ही पड़ेगा। बिना दिए आप इसके अंदर घुस नहीं सकते। जबकि ये सोसाइटी का कॉलेज, यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट। और ये कॉलेज भी स्टार्ट हुआ था कीपिंग इन माइंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर द पीपल, फॉर द सोसाइटी। दिस इज व्हाट द सीन। मुझे प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं है यार, मुझे प्रॉब्लम है कि यार बहुत extravagant amount of money has to shed to get into the entrance examination and writing that entrance examination। भाई सीधा सीधा 3,550 रुपए लो, मेरा एंट्रेंस दो, उसके बाद आपको अप्लाई करना है तो करो। और अप्लाई भी क्यों करना है? मैंने आपका एंट्रेंस फी दिया है, नाउ आई शुड बी टेस्टेड अपॉन ऑल दी प्रोसेस एंड इफ यू फाइंड मी वेल यू कैन टेक मी। लेकिन नहीं, आपको ये भी भरना है और फिर असेसमेंट टेस्ट के लिए आपको फिर 1100 रुपये और देना है। मतलब ये कंपलसरी आपको देना है यदि आप 209 के ऊपर हो तो। दीज आर द 3 कंपोनेंट्स दैट यू हैव टू पे इफ यू हैव स्कोर्ड 209 एंड प्लस। नाउ यू डिसाइड, इज इट नॉट ए गुड बिजनेस मॉडल? इफ यस, वी कैन आर्ग्यू अबाउट इट, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट तो मुझे बताइए गलत नहीं है क्या? बीच में आप एनएमआईएमएस को डाल के 3,000 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा मेरे पॉकेट से निकाल रहा हूं। इज इट नॉट रॉबरी? इज इट नॉट एक्सटॉर्शन? दिस इज व्हाट माय टॉक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस ऑफ एडमिशन in the NMIMS campus. Thank you so much. May God bless you. For more videos, please subscribe the channel and let us have a constructive argument on what is happening in the world of education. And one more thing that I would like to submit here, that we are ASCAT Bhopal, which is completely a different entity with respect to the other ASCATs which are working on YouTube. We are not that ASCAT. We are a completely separate entity. In fact, I have seen Career Launcher having ASCAT on it written this time. So we are not that. We are a completely separate entity working since 2013. Subscribe the channel, and for all the courses in online and offline for CAT 2025, you are welcome to join our courses. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Bye-bye.